A look created for a friend, this devilish character is a piece of living pop art.
Hi, my name is Anna and I love dressing up for Halloween. Now, when it comes to special effects makeup, I'm not a professional. I'm completely self-taught, but that means that if I can do it, then you can too. I have to say that some of the products I will be using can be a little bit unpleasant if used incorrectly. So be super careful, because I speak from personal experience when I say that you do not want to lose an eyebrow to liquid latex. If you thought that charcoal face masks were bad, they have nothing on liquid latex. Over the next 6 weeks I will be recreating some of my favourite looks that I've done on myself and other people over my time at university. And there will be something a little bit gory, something a little bit glam, if not a little bit green. Hopefully there'll be something for everyone. So I think it's time to get started, and I hope that you enjoy.
With clean hands and a clean face, I started off by putting in some Chroma View contact lenses in Black Hellraiser. I then started on my base. I decided to mix two primers together. I started by applying the Illamasqua Hydra Rehydration gel. Once I blended this out with my fingers, I applied the Decay Optical Illusion Pore Perfecting Complexion primer. I then added dots of Decay Naked Skin Foundation in shade 1.0 all over my face before blending it out with a kabuki brush. I powdered my face using the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder in translucent. I then used a thin paintbrush and Snazaroo face paint in black to draw on the lines. I basically drew thin lines where I would draw on cream contour and outlined my hairline, connecting it to the cheek contour. After brushing my brows out with a spoolie, I then took a thin angled brush and filled in my eyebrows. I also used the same brush to add an expression line in between my brows before outlining my nose. I outlined my jawline. If you're planning on having your hair out of your face and your ears exposed, now would be the time to connect this to the cheek contour and outline your ears too. I didn't do this as I was intending to wear my hair down and cover my ears. I drew a thick line where my lips met, extending it at both sides, drawing a line through where it ended at both sides. I thickened the line where it sat over my lips, before taking the thinnest brush I had and drawing thin black lines downwards through the long line, leaving gaps in between. Using Blackjack from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, I took a fluffy blending brush and blended this all over my eyelids and swept it under my lower lash line to darken the lids slightly. outlined the blood drip under my right eye using a thin paintbrush. I then took Snazaroo face paint in white and filled in the gaps in the mouth up until the middle of the left side. Taking Snazaroo face paint in red, I filled in the gaps in the mouth on the right side. And then I filled in the blood drip under the eye. I then dipped back into the white to add a highlight to the red blood drip. I used the rubber on the end of a pencil to add red circles to my face. However, looking back on it, I wish that I'd done it in more organised lines on my face and that I'd made sure the circles were more complete and more opaque, as some of them look a little bit wishy-washy. I used the Soap & Glory Supercat eyeliner in black to line my eyes. I used a red pencil eyeliner on my lower lash line and a black pencil eyeliner on my upper lash line under my lashes. I added some Meron fake blood to the blood drip under my right eye and spread this out with a paintbrush that I'd wiped clean. I used Benefit They're Real mascara in black and I was done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can find a link to my social media below along with the list of all the products used in today's video. Join me next Thursday at 7 PM when I'll be transforming myself into the clown princess of crime, the Joker.